are we cooking today?
We're cooking Aglio.
Do you like aglio olio?
Yeah.
Today we will cook aglio olio with clams. And there's a secret ingredient.
Yeah.
Come, I show you what's the secret ingredient. Guess which one is the secret ingredient?
This?
No.
Oh, I think it's the lemon and this.
Yeah, it's the lemon. Good job. Okay,
Yeah.
now let's play hair, okay? Okay.
Hey.
Yours?
My scissors.
So we have garlics that we will be frying with the olive oil for the oil, and then there will be garlic that we will fry together with the aglio olio spaghetti, with the spaghetti later.
Yeah.
Okay.
The cookie, right?
So you want to do the mince or the slicing?
No slicing.
Slice, okay, you know how to slice?
Right.
Okay, tissue first. First we cut off the ends.
Okay lah. I know already.
You know, I haven't cut yet. Hold on. I'll show you one piece first. Okay, here. Cut off it. Then you slice.
I know. I know. I know.
Okay, zoom. Go and record here.
Last one.
Okay, let me get a plate for you to transfer all your things. In a moment, I'll be back.
But oh yeah, we're doing the snack.
What?
We're doing the snack.
Yeah, I'm mincing it and I'm slicing it. You put the mince at one side and this one. But I love your minced garlic. It's so fine. Then it will have different texture. More?
No.
No more. Cut the mushroom then.
Okay.
Okay, I'll cut out this for you. Okay.
Alright.
You slice it.
Slice it?
Yeah.
How? Yeah. That is good, Daddy. I'm so sorry. I forgot. I'm very good at cooking.
Very good at cooking. Very good at slicing.
I'm very good at cooking.
Very good at cooking. Very good at slicing. What mushroom is this? Shiitake mushroom? Actually, I'm not sure.
Yeah. Yeah. Up here. Then I'll do more mushroom.
Okay. I think my knife is a bit small. I'm using the wrong knife.
Understand?
No, it's okay. Thank you.
You're welcome, Mom. See, I'm kind of chef.
Yeah, I'm a kind chef.
Oh no.
No. Save it. Okay, I'll go and throw this and I'll be back, okay?
Yay! Hey, where are you going?
Throw all the things.
Oh.
And coming back with another knife.
Wow, so big.
Cut the lemon into slices.
Yay! Yeah, done. That's really fun.
Ooh, the juice.
Now
Wow,
mine.
can you smell the lemon?
What's it?
Let's put some of the skin in it too.
Done.